What's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com. In this video we're going to be going over how to determine how much power your subwoofer needs. But first, alright guys, so this gets asked a lot and it can be a very wide range for an answer because it comes down to what subwoofer you're actually running. Obviously there's a ton of different subwoofers out there and a ton of different ways that these companies rate these subwoofers. If you go to Walmart and you get a 4,000 watt earthquake sub or pile or road gear sub that they claim 4,000 watts, there's no way that this sub is going to take 4,000 watts. It may be lucky to take 400. So since the products that we deal with, I would say they are at least going to be good for RMS power rating accurately, and some of them are going to be underrated. For example, like in front of us, the Differnt Apocalypse 45 series subwoofers, they're going to be underrated. Look how beastie this subwoofer is. So I would at minimum give this subwoofer the RMS rating, but there's a bunch of different things that goes into a system when you're getting it together. But if you wanted it to be able to run every day, all day, no sweat, no problem, I would pair with this subwoofer a JP43, and it probably would never get hot. If you never clipped it, it would take it for 100 years. I don't know about that, but it would take it for many, many years. If you wanted to, and that's like playing it pretty much all day for very long periods of time. If you're just gonna hop in your car, you got a 20-minute drive to work and you're gonna be slamming for 10 or 15 minutes of it, or you're just cruising around 30 minutes at a time, parking somewhere and hanging out, and then you get back in and play it again, you could definitely put more power on the subwoofer. Again, this subwoofer, sundown subs, DC subs, incriminator subs, all these other subs that we offer, they're going to be able to handle more power, especially for shorter durations like that. So if it was me personally with this subwoofer, I would run a JP63 on it, or a Differnt AAK6K, or a Sundown Salt 6, something like that, a good quality amplifier to pair with this high-end subwoofer. We have them all in stock, by the way. Tons of Differnt subs in stock because they are one of our top-selling subwoofers. If you want to check out this beast, you can do so by clicking the link in the comments below. But that's kind of how we go about pairing with our subwoofers that we carry, because they're going to be good for at least RMS power rating, but most of them are going to be able to take a little bit more power. And the reason why we have an alternator and a battery over here is because anytime you start upgrading your amplifier power, you're going to be putting a big strain on your electrical system. So you want to make sure you have enough alternator and battery power to power your amplifier, because, say it with me, it takes power to make power. You can't make power without having your electrical upgraded, having a good power bank there for it to draw from, because if you don't, you're just going to end up blowing up your amp. So make sure you have a proper electrical to support these big beastie amplifiers that you're going to be putting on the nice subwoofers that we offer. All right, I appreciate you joining me in another Down for Sound video. Don't forget about the Down for Sound difference. Guaranteed lowest prices, fastest shipping, best customer service, and we have a ton of different financing options on the website, so be sure to check those out as well. See you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.